Today, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing. If you're searching for a flexible and potentially lucrative way to make money online, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of affiliate marketing, from the fundamental concepts to advanced strategies that can take your affiliate business to the next level. Let's get started. What is affiliate marketing? At its core, affiliate marketing is a dynamic and performance-based marketing strategy. As an affiliate marketer, you collaborate with businesses or companies to promote their products or services to a wider audience. In return, you earn a commission for every sale, click, or desired action generated through your marketing efforts. It's like becoming a virtual salesperson, except you don't need to worry about inventory, customer service, or the typical overhead costs associated with traditional business models. How affiliate marketing works. Let's break down how affiliate marketing works in more detail. Number 1, choose a niche. Start by selecting a niche, a specific area of interest or industry. It's essential to choose a niche that resonates with you because your passion and knowledge will shine through in your content. Number 2, find affiliate programs. Once you've determined your niche, you'll need to find suitable affiliate programs. These programs are typically offered by companies looking to expand their reach. They provide you with unique affiliate links that track your referrals and commissions. You can explore options from well-known affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and numerous others. Number 3, promote products. With your niche and affiliate programs in place, you can start promoting products or services that align with your chosen niche. You'll use your unique affiliate links to direct potential customers to these products through various marketing channels, such as a blog, website, social media, email marketing, or even your own YouTube channel. Number 4, drive targeted traffic. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you must attract a relevant and engaged audience interested in the products or services you're promoting. Strategies to drive traffic include content marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, paid advertising, social media marketing, and even influencer partnerships. Number 5, earn commissions. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and takes a specific action, such as making a purchase, signing up, or clicking through to the affiliate site, you earn a commission. The more successful referrals you make, the more you earn. Okay, let's proceed to the tips for success. Success in affiliate marketing is not only possible but achievable with dedication and the right strategy. Here are some vital tips to help you on your affiliate marketing journey. Number 1, choose quality products. It's crucial to promote products or services you genuinely believe in. Your credibility and reputation are on the line, so only promote products you can stand behind. Number 2, transparency is key. Always disclose your affiliate relationship to your audience. Transparency builds trust and maintains your audience's confidence in your recommendations. Number 3, create valuable content. Provide your audience with valuable, informative, and high-quality content that helps them make informed decisions. This content can take various forms, from detailed product reviews and guides to how-to videos and engaging blog posts. Number 4, audience building. Growing your online presence is vital for attracting potential customers. Whether you're using a blog, social media, or a YouTube channel like this one, the more significant and engaged your audience is, the more potential customers you can reach. Number 5, testing and optimization. Affiliate marketing success often comes from trial and error. Continuously test different strategies, products, and promotional methods to find what works best for your specific audience. Number 6, stay compliant. Be aware of affiliate marketing regulations in your region, especially guidelines like the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, disclosure requirements in the United States. Number 7, patience and persistence. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and consistent effort. Be prepared for the long haul and stay committed to your journey. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to earn income online. By selecting the right niche, partnering with the right affiliate programs, and implementing the strategies and tips we've discussed, you can embark on a successful affiliate marketing journey. However, remember that success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It's not a sprint. It's a marathon that requires dedication and ongoing effort. As you continue to learn, optimize, and grow your affiliate business, you can achieve the financial freedom and flexibility that many affiliate marketers enjoy. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to our channel for more insights on affiliate marketing, online entrepreneurship, and other valuable topics. If you have any questions or specific topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.